Hi everybody, it's Darlene here with Simply Darlene Creations, and today's video I will be talking about DIY. Now at my local Marshals, I was just walking around with nothing in particular, and I saw these folders here, and I was like, oh, those are pretty. I've been wanting to go ahead and change the covers for my planners here, but I really didn't want to spend on Etsy the shipping and having to look for something that I liked. So I saw these two, and these are, this one's a 3-hole punch for binder, and then this one is just a long folder here. I was kind of iffy about having or purchasing these, but guys, for $4.50 and for $3.50, this one does come in a pack of, let me go ahead and see, this one's 6 and this one comes with 6 as well. So I figured I have a couple that I can interchange or use. These are folders that have pockets inside, and then these are just like almost like hanging file here. So I figured for the price, I can definitely create my own cover. They're sturdy enough, and I have the hole punch here that I can punch itself, and then the scissors to trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trim this one down to size for my classic, and then this one here I'm going to go ahead and trim down for my skinny. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and trace this here, cut for this one here, and then do the same, and then I will be back once I am done and have them put on. So like I mentioned, all I did was down the middle. I used that as my a guide, sort of say, and then I just traced on both sides the sizing, and then I'm going to cut along the lines now. So because these are just regular file folders, what I'm going to do is, we all know as crafters, we never throw away the scraps or what's left over. So because I have a thicker piece here, I'm going to go ahead and trim this down to size to be able to add a folder pocket in here. So stay tuned. So now that I've trimmed down the excess from here, you've got what's considered like a floating piece. So with that being said, you can either use double-sided tape. What I suggest is, because this side here is going to be the side that I pierce with the hole punch, I'm only going to go ahead and place double-sided tape here on the opposing side, and of course on the bottom, so that way I don't have to put too much tape or glue. And then because it's pierced on this side here, you don't really need to do anything as far as glue or tape. So be right back. OMG, y'all, how cute are these? So definitely, sorry about my finger being in the clip, but yes, like I said, these were under $4 or $5 each for a pack of 6. For a pack of 6. This one, I know that it's off-centered, but to me, it does not bother me, just because I didn't want to center it and then have the pocket itself on the inside hinder or lose it. So I'm okay, like I said, for the saying to be off-centered. If it bothers you, well, you can alter the inside itself, but that's the front. Here is the back side of it. Like I said, for a DIY under that, I am super content. And then here is that skinny. There's the front. There's my pocket on the inside, and I still had enough to be able to do a divider. So guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching.